Hi everyone and welcome back to Techie Puja. In this video, I am going to share 5 essential Tableau tips and tricks that will significantly enhance your Tableau dashboard creation process. These insights are designed to elevate your Tableau expertise and help you craft more effective dashboards. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. How to format your whole workbook at once. We have 2 sheets here, and we want to standardize the font style, size, color, tooltips across both sheets. Normally, you might think you have to apply these formatting options to each sheet one by one. That's fine if you have a few sheets, but what if you have multiple sheets? Instead of manually formatting each sheet, you can apply consistent formatting across your entire workbook in one go. For that, go to the Format menu at the top and select Workbook. This will open Formatting pane where you can set your preferred font style, size, color and other formatting options. Once applied, this setting will automatically update across all sheets and dashboard in the workbook. It's an efficient way to maintain consistency throughout your work. Tip number 2. Use color shading to quickly identify your sheets. If you have multiple sheets in your workbook and want to quickly identify them, then you can add color to the sheet tabs. Just right-click on the sheet tab, click on color, choose a color you like. Do this for each sheet with different colors. This makes it easy to see and find your sheets. Color coding is a quick way to stay organized and make your workbook more manageable. Tip number 3. Quickly duplicate a sheet at the cross tab. This simple trick lets you duplicate any sheet and instantly switch to a cross tab view for detailed data analysis. For this, right-click on the sheet tab you want to duplicate and select Duplicate as cross tab. This will create cross-tab view of your data based on the original sheet. It's a very fast way to get a detailed table view without starting from scratch. Using cross-tabs can help you analyze data in a more granular way. Tip number 4. Show totals on top of stack bar chart. Here we have stack bar chart displaying sales by region and segment. By default, the chart shows individual segment values for each region. But what if you want to show the total value on the top of each bar as well? To achieve this, we will use feature called reference lines. Let me show the process. First, right-click on the axis of your chart and select Add Reference Line. In the Add Reference Line dialog box, set the scope to per cell to apply the reference line to each bar individually. For the value field, choose sum to calculate the total value for each bar. Then, in the label section, select value to display the total amount. Now, to remove this line itself and only show the total label, click on the line option and select none. Then hit OK. Next, let's position the number at the center of each bar. For that, right-click on the numbers, then select Format. From here, you can customize the alignment, size, color and number format to fit your needs. You can also rename the label if you prefer. And total are now displayed on top of each bar. Tip number 5. Adding GIF to dashboard. First, find a GIF online that you would like to use. Once you have found it, right-click on the GIF and select Copy Image Address. Next, go back to Tableau where you have to drag Web Page object on your dashboard. In the URL field, paste the copied URL directly into this box. After pasting the URL, click OK and you should see your GIF appear on the dashboard right away. You can resize and move the GIF just like any other object on your dashboard. This flexibility allows you to position it perfectly to complement your data visuals. If you found this video helpful, then give us thumbs up and subscribe for more Tableau tricks and tutorials. Leave any questions or suggestions in the comment below and I will see you in the next video.